Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physic-so-Mathematica Techno-Computa. In this video I'm going to say and show you how to unblock the microphone and camera of the Gmeet. So if you click on any link of the Gmeet link, so if it shows of this kind like camera and microphones are blocked, it says, so then what you have to do is you have to just dismiss. And let me show you. If I try to turn on the microphone, it shows the same notification. So if I even try to turn on the camera, it shows the same notification. And then here you have see camera icon. You just click on it and you just click on always allow this Gmeet to access your camera and microphones. You just allow and then click on done. So if you do this step, so now Gmeet can access the camera and the microphones. So you can see now microphone has been turned on and I have turned off. Now camera has been turned on and camera is turned off. So in this way you can do. Another alternate way is that can you see your lock icon? If you just click on it, here you can see permissions is there, camera and microphone notifications as well. So if you turn off the camera permission, so camera can't be accessed. Now let me show. If I try to turn on the camera, so it is not turning. First let me reload. If I try to turn on the camera, I can't do it right now because camera is blocked. So in this way you can block and unblock. So at present now I'm unblocked and click on dismiss and just reload. After doing this unblock settings, you just refresh your page. Now if I try to on the camera, it will turn on. Let me turn off first. So camera has been turned on. Yeah, in this way you can do the unblocking of the camera and microphone of the Gmeet. So thank you for watching.